Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be demonstrating or performing for you our final project for robotics, the Plowboy. This is a proof of concept for a robot that will be able to plow parking lots in the not too distant future. So go ahead, Seb, and tell us how it works.
All right, so our world, as you can see, is made up of these little snowballs that can be pushed around by our plow, and the world is surrounded by a boundary line that is colored. And the way that we detect snow and plow it is using a camera fixed to the flashlight on the front of the robot. And the frame is split into three different chunks to know whether or not the snow is in front, to the left, or to the right of us. So once the robot detects a certain number of white pixels in that frame, it knows, okay, this is a snow object, and it begins to plow. And then once it detects a certain number of green thresholds, the green pixels in this case, it knows that it's a certain distance from the boundary line, and it should begin to reverse. So it reverses for the same amount of time that it plowed for. And then the robot will spin in place until it detects snow again and repeat the process. Now I'll pass it back to Johnny to talk about one of the problems we encountered.
Yeah, and you may have noticed that in the console it said it was raising thresholds. So one problem we encountered is that as we are plowing more snow, a lot of the snow accumulates in these corners, which it gives a lot of white to the epoch. So the epoch will register it as snow and try to plow it, even though it's already plowed. And the way we fix that is with dynamic thresholds. So if the robot free spins for half a second, we increase the threshold by 1. Thank you for listening and
Thank you.
watching.